You're not thinking about money right now. You're thinking about relief. The kind of relief that says, just let this problem go away for a moment. You open your phone, you see an ad. Instant loan, no paperwork, money in minutes. And suddenly, it feels like breathing again. Not because you got richer, but because your stress got quieter. That's how loans really work. They don't sell you money. They sell you peace, temporary peace. Because the moment that money hits your account, your brain relaxes, your fear goes down, your problem feels smaller. But something invisible just happened. You didn't remove the problem, you moved it into the future. And the future always charges interest. Every month, a part of your life gets pre-booked, not for your dreams, not for your family, but for a number on a screen called EMI. And here's the scary part. Even when your income goes up, your life doesn't feel better, because now you have bigger bills, bigger payments, bigger pressure. So you work more, you sleep less, you worry more, all to keep up with a past decision you made when you were tired, stressed, and just wanted a way out. This is how people get stuck, not with one bad choice, but with many small ones. A phone on EMI, a bike on EMI, a credit card loan, a personal loan to pay the credit card. Each one feels harmless. Together, they become a cage. And banks know this. They don't want you to drown. They want you to almost drown, because someone who is barely surviving pays more interest than someone who is free. That's why they offer you easy money, not because they care, but because they understand human fear. Fear of falling behind, fear of looking broke, fear of saying no. So you say yes, and every yes steals a little bit of tomorrow. But here's the truth most people never learn. There are two kinds of debt. One builds your future, the other rents your present. Smart people use debt to create income, to buy assets, to grow. Most people use debt to feel better now, and that difference decides who stays rich and who stays stuck. So before you take a loan, don't ask, how fast will I get the money? Ask, how long will this control me? Because money you borrow today can cost you years of freedom tomorrow. And once you feel what real freedom is like, you'll never want to sell it for easy cash again.